Hello, it's Emily here from Lakes and Hills, and it's our crafty hour, and today we're going to be making some lace and pearl tea light holders. So what we're going to make here is using up any like little votive jars that you've got. I don't know whether you get these and you think, oh well, I'll throw them away. Don't, because you can make your own little tea light real cheaply, and I think this is a really nice way. You could even use this for weddings, but I think it's quite Christmassy as well. So all you're going to need is a jar, some nice little pearls. There you see some pearls, they're self-adhesive ones, some lace, and a glue gun. Don't worry if you don't know where to get any of this stuff. Again, it's all in the affiliate links, and you'll be able to make your own. So as I say, go and have a click and have a look. Now first thing you're going to do is just measure some lace. Say go around the top there. I think I'll pop mine around the top, so that's about right. And then just take your glue gun and just eke it out. Don't want to get too much at once, because with it being lace, I don't really want it to come through much. So it's just a real gentle little trickle. Remember to make sure when you're using glue guns and that you preheat them to the manufacturer's instructions. This one is around about 10 minutes, and you have something like some cardboard there, so that if it does drip, that it's not going to go on any of your nice furniture. So there we go, that just goes round the top there like that, can you see? So that's the lacy bit. And then very simply, we're just going to take these. Now they say they're self-adhesive, but I do get problems sometimes with these ones, are pretty good actually. And you're just going to dot these all the way around the glass in different places. So it gives like a nice like little pearl and lace effect. Really, really pretty, super quick. You can make these like as Christmas table decorations, as I said, for birthday parties, for weddings. And there we go, and you simply just let everything stick. But these actually are really quite pretty when they're lit up, and as I say, I'll show you one in a moment, all lit up.